Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, today we are going to start our new chapter, Knowing Our Numbers. This chapter you have done in grade 5 also, but that time its name was Place Values. Okay? Topics are same. So first we will discuss two number systems. First is Indian number system, second is international number system. So first I am discussing Indian number system. So you all know places of Indian number system. Speak after me. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So these are the places of Indian number system. Now next thing is periods. What are periods? So period, there are four periods in Indian number system. So which are those? First is ones, under which three places are coming. 100, tens, ones. They all are under one period, that is ones. Second period is 1000. So under this 1000, two places come, 10,000 and 1000. Third period is lakh. So there are two places under lakh, 10 lakh and lakh. Under crore, there are again two places, 10 crore and crore. So these are periods and these are places. Now if this number is written, how to read this number? 78 crore 43 lakh 24,612. So this is all about Indian system. Now I am taking here one example. So statement is given, you have to write in numbers. 46 crore 10 lakh 25,352. So students, first step is to put commas according to periods. Now you know crore is one period, so we will put comma after crore. Then next period is lakh, so we will put comma after lakh. Next period is 1000, so we will put comma after 1000. Then ones period. Okay, now we will write its number name. 46 crore, so 46 crore. Next is 10 lakh, so we will write in one period 10 lakh. Then 25,000 and next 352. So commas are already there automatically because we have put here commas according to periods. Okay, so next I am taking international system. This is just repetition. You all have done this in grade 5. Okay, so in international system there are 9 places, same as in Indian number system. So please speak after me. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. All these are places of international number system. Now next comes periods. In international number system, there are only 3 periods in your syllabus. Okay, so first is ones, next thousands, next millions. So under ones, again there are 3 places, that are 100, tens, ones. Next, under thousands, 3 places come: 100,000, 10,000 and 1000. Under million, again 3 places: 100 million, 10 million and million. So this is all about periods and places. Now if any number is written in this, so how we will read? We will read according to periods. So this is 423 million. 423 million. Next, 512,000. This is 1000 period. So how we will read it? 512,000 and 726. Now I'll take its example. So we will take its example how to write number in international number system. So statement is given: 622,406,700. Okay, so first we will put commas according to periods. So first period is million, so we will put comma after million. Then next period is 1000, so we will put comma after 1000. Then ones period. Okay, now we will write its number name according to the periods. So in first period, what is written? 622 million. So we have written here 622 million. Next period, 406,000. So in next period we will write 406,000. 406, then 1000. Next, 700. So 700. So here tens and ones place is 0, and here 10,000 place is 0. Okay, if you write your number according to places and periods, your sum will never be wrong. Okay. So next I am taking comparison of these two number systems. We have two number systems, Indian system and international system. Now we will compare these two number systems. So I have written all the places of these two systems: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Next, international system: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Now, bache, what is the purpose of this comparison? From this comparison, you can see that ones is equal to ones, tens same tens, 100 same 100, 1000 same 1000, 10,000 same 10,000. But after these 5 places, their places are different. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakh of Indian system is equal to 1 million of international system. 1 crore is equal to 10 million of international system. 10 crore of Indian system is equal to 100 millions of international system. So you can solve these blanks. If I ask you 1 million of international system is equal to what of Indian system? So you can check from here. 1 million of international system is equal to what? 10 lakh of Indian system. Similarly, if I ask you 1 crore of Indian system is equal to what of international system? So you will check from here. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. So I have written here in words. You can write in numbers. like this. What is this? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. It means 100,000 of international system is equal to 1 lakh of Indian system. So in this way you can compare both the number systems. I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.